Our strategy is simple. It's purely to repair the car back to the same specifications as when the car left the factory.
Repairing a Porsche is one of the most highly skilled things I guess you can do in the body repair industry. They've always been exclusively designed to be sports cars, which means they're different to many cars in the way they're built, and therefore to repair one and to be trained to repair one and to repair it with confidence and competence really requires an awful lot of skill and integrity.
The recommended repairers are the only solution that we can offer a consistent repair service across all 15, that they're capable of repairing the multi-material vehicles, that they've got the same ethos as Porsche, and that it's more about the quality of the repair rather than the quantity of the repair.
We've been associated with Porsche since 2003. It's a massive part of the business. We've got a massive passion for the brand. We love the vehicles and the owners that go with them. The Porsche Recommended Repairer solution gives us the opportunity to be part of the Porsche passion that goes around every vehicle. The Porsche Recommended Repairers use genuine parts, approved paint product, approved repair methods throughout the whole vehicle. Especially in today's technology, it's imperative that this is done, because there's so much technology on the cars that it's a lot more involved than just simply banging dents out. Porsche Recommended Repairers, everyone is trained from front of house through to every single technician. It gives us the opportunity to work on cars that have been looked after throughout their life and just return them cars to a pristine condition.
The traditional body shop craft skills do not equip body shop technicians for the complex multi-material car bodies in the Porsche range. Electronic safety systems and driver assistance systems need specific training on how to set up and calibrate after accident repair, and our specialist training program for body shop technicians gives our technicians the skill and the knowledge of how to carry out these tasks.
We now audit all of the recommended repairers annually, and then we monitor their compliance against the Porsche standard all year round to make sure that they're following the same procedures as set out by Porsche Germany. All of the recommended repairers go through quite a strict training program. They have direct access to the Porsche Training Academy, and in fact, all technicians within the recommended repairers get a minimum 5 days training per year.
It's imperative that our recommended repairers are trained by Porsche, because as the people who build the cars, we know the correct processes for repairing them. Porsche Cars Great Britain are one of only 3 markets outside of the German home market that have a dedicated training program for their recommended repairers.
What customers may not realise, that after an event of an accident, it's their choice where they have the car repaired. So the simple solution is to choose a recommended repairer, where they can be confident that the car will be restored to the same factory specifications as when it rolled off the production line.
What happens under the skin of a car these days has changed unbelievably, and the tolerances on a Porsche are so tight. So if you're repairing a car, you need to make sure that the method that you're following is being done exactly to the prescribed way in which Porsche define that. We obviously make access to our repair methods to the repairers, and it's really important that they follow that really carefully to ensure that when the car is put back together, all the ways in which it was designed to perform and all the different functions and features on the car are absolutely maintained in the way they came out of the factory.
It's really important that we have consistency across all 15 body repairers. All of the facilities that we have listed are fully invested into the training equipment that we require as part of our operating standards. Those systems include workshop manuals, but also direct access to our technical department.
PVIS system has got a number of items that work with it to check the status of the car during the repair. It's then used again at the end of the repair to reset any faults and check that all the system software and settings are all as they should be. Porsche have given us the technical information to repair the vehicles back to pre-accident condition. We're audited annually by Porsche. The standards are the highest in the industry. Between all of us, we keep a good eye on everyone's car and treat them all as if our own. We've got a massive passion for the cars. We do love Porsche and the customers that come with it.
Nobody buys a Porsche, you invest in one. One of Porsche's legacies is a huge portfolio of racing victories, and because every Porsche has its heart on the racetrack, this influence has been incorporated into the design and build of every Porsche. That's why if a car does need to have any kinds of repairs, whether they be structural or paint or cosmetic, it's just so important that whoever is carrying out those repairs them in the way Porsche designs, so that you don't compromise, first of all, the performance that you'll experience from the car, and secondly, that the car will return your investment in its value over its lifetime.